Goats are domesticated animals known for their adaptability, agility, and diverse uses in human society. They belong to the genus Capra and are closely related to sheep, though they tend to be more independent and curious. There are over 300 breeds of goats, and they can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Goats have been an integral part of human agriculture for thousands of years, providing milk, meat, fiber, and hides. Goats have a slender yet muscular body, with long legs and cloven hooves that give them excellent balance and agility. Their size and color can vary greatly depending on the breed, but they typically weigh between 45 to 150 pounds. Male goats, called bucks, and female goats, called does, both have horns, though some breeds are hornless. Their horns are usually curved or spiraled, and in some species, they can grow quite large. Goats have rectangular pupils, which give them a wide field of vision, helping them spot predators. Their coats can be long or short, depending on the climate, and many breeds are raised for their fur or hair, such as the Angora goat, which produces mohair, and the Kashmir goat, which produces highly prized cashmere wool. Goats are herbivores with a unique reputation for eating almost anything, although they are more selective than often portrayed. They primarily feed on grasses, shrubs, leaves, and weeds, and they are known for their ability to forage in rugged, dry environments where other livestock may struggle. Goats are ruminants, meaning they have a specialized stomach with 4 compartments to help them digest fibrous plant material. Their browsing habits, as opposed to grazing, allow them to eat from higher branches and shrubs, giving them access to food that other animals may not reach. This ability to thrive on low-quality vegetation makes goats ideal for clearing overgrown areas and controlling invasive plant species. Goats are typically seasonal breeders, with the mating season occurring in the fall. After mating, a doe's gestation period lasts around 150 days, resulting in the birth of 1 to 3 kids. Goat kids are precocial, meaning they are born fully developed and can stand and move shortly after birth. They are weaned after a few months and grow rapidly. Goats generally live between 10 to 15 years, though some can live even longer with proper care. They reach sexual maturity at around 5 to 9 months, depending on the breed, and can start producing milk or offspring soon after. One of the primary reasons goats are kept is for their milk, which is highly nutritious and easier to digest than cow's milk for many people. Goat milk is rich in vitamins and minerals, especially calcium and potassium, and it is often used to produce dairy products such as cheese, yogurt, and butter. Popular goat cheeses include Cheddar, a French soft cheese, and Feta, commonly used in Mediterranean dishes. Goat milk is also valued for its lower lactose content, making it a preferred alternative for individuals who are lactose intolerant. The dairy industry benefits greatly from goats, as they require less space and resources than cows, making them ideal for small-scale farming. Goats are also raised for meat, known as chavon or goat meat. It is a staple in many parts of the world, particularly in Africa, Asia, and the Middle East, where it is considered a delicacy. Goat meat is lean, flavorful, and high in protein, making it a popular choice in a wide range of traditional dishes. In addition to meat, certain breeds are kept for their fiber. Angora goats produce mohair, a silky, durable fiber used in textiles, while Kashmir goats are famous for their fine, soft undercoat, which is spun into luxurious cashmere wool. These fibers are highly sought after in the fashion industry. Goats are social animals that thrive in herds, and they have a well-defined social hierarchy. Within the herd, goats will establish dominance through behaviors like butting and pushing. Despite their independent and curious nature, goats form strong bonds with their herd members and even with humans when raised in close contact. Known for their intelligence and agility, goats are excellent climbers and can often be found balancing on steep cliffs or rocky outcrops. They are naturally inquisitive animals and will investigate their surroundings, sometimes using their mouth to explore objects, which has earned them a reputation for eating unusual things, though they are usually just inspecting their environment. Throughout history, goats have been revered and symbolized in various cultures. In ancient Egypt, goats were sacred animals associated with fertility and abundance. In Greek mythology, the goat Amalthea nursed the infant Zeus, providing him with nourishment. Goats also play important roles in folklore, often depicted as symbols of vitality, stubbornness, and mischief. In modern times, goats continue to be integral to rural communities and sustainable farming practices. They are often used in land management to clear brush and reduce wildfire risks in places like California. Goats are incredibly versatile and resilient animals that have played a crucial role in human history. Whether valued for their milk, meat, fiber, or ability to control vegetation, goats are essential to agriculture worldwide. Their intelligence, adaptability, and hardy nature make them a favorite among farmers and animal enthusiasts alike. With a long history of human partnership, goats continue to thrive in diverse environments, providing invaluable resources to people across the globe.